Ring you up, say I want you. I can chop, I can stop, say I never wanted that. It's just inevitable distance, twisted bitterness. I give her too much, she'll be over that. Well, I will ring you up, say I want you. I can chop, I can stop, say I never wanted that. It's just inevitable distance, twisted bitterness. I give her too much, she'll be two for the taking. You can have it all if you like it, saying it's gonna drive you out on the roads and the streets and the pavement, stamping your ground on the roof, star-shaped heart. Like a wicked star-shaped heart. Star-shaped heart. Cause I could walk you back to the station, talk about our own frustration. Cause I could walk you back to the station. I give her too much, she'll be
Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon. Harlem River, all because of you. Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon? Harlem River, all because of you. been. And